Hey guys, so I wanted to come to you really quick to share with you some exciting news on something that I created. I seen a lot of posts about this in the awesome Bitmoji Craze for Educators group and thought that I would make it happen. So I wanted to present to you our awesome Bitmoji tattoo shop. So the first thing I want to do is just kind of browse through or show you some of the things that I have or created for you to be able to use on your Bitmoji. So we have here the Bitmoji tattoo shop. If you can see on the screen, you see me with a few little tattoo designs just to show you some places that you can put them and how they would look on your body. Then we have our second page that kind of just lets you know or tells you what you will be able to do or how you can make a copy of it. It includes the links that you will need also to access the tattoo shop. Then we have some pictures, different designs that I have already found and created for you so that you don't have to search or struggle to do that. Hopefully most of these are what you need. If not, I will also do a small quick tutorial on how to show you how to find them so that you will be able to do that as well. The next page we have the ones that are just in black and white, and you notice on the first page they were in color. And then our third page are some of our zodiac signs. I know we see these on people all the time, so I wanted to include some zodiac signs. And then my last page is what I call the tattoo viewing room. And that is where you could place your Bitmoji there or use my Bitmoji and just kind of play around with them, size them up, see how they look, see what you want, what you don't want, those things. Okay, so to get your tattoo is very, very, very simple, kind of similar to the same way you find pictures that you want to add to your Bitmoji classroom or to whatever activity that you are working on. So the first thing that we're going to do is I am going to search for, say I want a rose. So I'm just going to search for a rose. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to find the rose that I want. Let's go with that one. Okay, then I'm going to right click, and there's two ways that you can save. I'm going to show you both ways. Save image as, I'm going to put rose 3. It's also going to save at the bottom, but it's saved to my desktop. Now one way is I can then go to remove.bg, and since it's right here, I can drag it and drop it. And then download it. And then your new one is going to be the one that says the remove on it so that you don't get it confused. Another way is I can pull my image up, then go to this little suitcase, as I always say, then go to this wand, and you're going to kind of drag across till like that pink or peach color kind of covers up all the white spots. And then you'll hit delete. And it's going to ask you, do you want to convert? You'll convert, and it changes over. And then when you exit out of it, this changes automatically save. Okay, so we have that. Now we're going to go to the shop. Let's go here to the tattoo fitting room. And then you can insert your image. You can either go to insert, image, upload from computer, and then search for rows 3 with the remove part. Or you can go down here and drag. If you have a MacBook, you're able to use that remove the way that I showed you with the little suitcase. So you could drag either one of them. So in this case, I'm just going to drag this one. Then you just size it. You just play around with it until you get it exactly how you want to have it on your body. And that's perfect. Okay, so we have our tattoo on our body, and I'm going to show you really fast if you want to make sure that your tattoo does not come off of your Bitmoji, like if you want to move it or you want to transport it to another slide or whatever the case may be. So what you would do is you would click on your Bitmoji, and then you're going to hold down the control button and click the other image, and then click group, and it groups it. Now, the question may come up, well, what if I have more than 2 or 1 tattoo? And let me just put more on here so that I can show you. So I have 3 here. Just say that. It's not, technically would not be like this, but just to show you how to group it. So then you would hold down the control button, click on that image, and then when you click group, it should group all. Hold on. Control, click that image, click group, and they're all grouped. You just control and click the image and click group, and then it groups all of them. So then now if I want to say copy my whole Bitmoji, put it on a different slide, there it is, and still the items are grouped. If I have too many, I want to take it off, I just click highlight on it and click it and delete it. Okay, and that is how you would find a tattoo and then attach the tattoo to your Bitmoji. Thanks for watching.